Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous lesson we have dispatched here this action to indicate to the store that we need the list of courses. Let's go ahead and implement the effect that is going to fetch them from the backend. So we are going to switch here to our course effects file and we are going to create here a new NGRX effect. We are going to call it load all courses. And we are going to define it in a very similar way to what we did with the load course effect. We are going to start by going ahead and accessing the actions observable, and we are going to make sure that we are filtering on a specific action type. So I'm going to go ahead and copy here this of type line, and we're going to fill in this with the correct types. So the action that we are looking for is the all courses requested action. So that's the one that we're going to pass in here in this parametric type and here in the course action types. Now let's implement the main logic of our effect. Just like we were doing in our previous effect, we are going to be using the merge map operator and we are going to transform this into a call to the backend. Let's go ahead and use the courses service and we are going to apply this method here, find all courses. This is going to give us the complete list of courses, and this corresponds to the exact same method that was previously being called here at the level of the home component. Now this is being done via an effect. The data will be stored in the store and it will have a life cycle independent of the home component itself. As the home component gets destroyed through application navigation, the data will still be available in the store. So we now have fetched here all the data from the backend. Let's go ahead and map this into an action and have it dispatched into the store. So what we get here from the backend is a list of courses. So let's dispatch here the courses loaded action, which takes as a payload the list of courses. We are going to instantiate the action here and we are going to pass it its payload containing the courses. Now, whenever the home component gets instantiated, this effect will each time fetch the data again from the backend. We have not yet implemented here the logic that will conditionally fetch the data only if the data is not yet present. We are going to do that later in this course. Right now we are going to complete our initial implementation of the logic that loads the courses in the store. The last piece that we need to implement is the reducer for the all courses loaded action.